So, this is my activity number three. So this LED num is we're using eight LEDs, the total number of the LEDs, and then the LED pin, their location in the Arduino board, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 pins. And then the delay is a variable to store the delay time. And then the pot pin is the analog pin connected to the potentiometer. So we will use the potentiometer to control the speed of the LED. And then this loops through all our LEDs. And this code sets all the LEDs as an output to to use it to turn off and on. And then the loop, so the for loop here loops from the first LED to the last LED, and then the LED delay is reads the potentiometer value and uses it as a delay in the LED, and then uh this turns the LED on, and then the delay is waits for the time based on the potentiometer, and then turns it off. And then this here is for the backward sequence. So last pin to the first pin, and then just the same logic. Delay is for the potentiometer, then they turn on, and then the delay again, and then turns it off again and again and again. We'll just repeat. So that's all. Thank you.